Luscombe MG Leeds are pleased to offer to the market this superb looking MG3 Form 1.5 Sport VTI-Tech. This car really has got sporty looks. It's finished in premium silver and has covered 3,313 miles. It's had one owner from new and has full service history. 16-inch alloy wheels. The rear boot spoiler gives it that sporty look. All Luscombe Suzuki MG and Mitsubishi cars come fully serviced before they go to the new owner, and will also have a full year's MOT. So I've had a good look around this car inside and out, and it really does look superb. So let's have a look inside the car. So when you open the door, you're greeted to a spacious interior with Isofix on the rear seats, finished in black cloth with a grey trim and red accents. Looking towards the dashboard, in the middle there you have your DAB radio, Bluetooth, down to your 5-speed gearbox, air conditioning unit. Onto the steering wheel you have your channel skip buttons and your volume buttons on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have cruise control. All in all, a superb example of an MG3. The mileage is really low, and the car looks superb. So I do not expect this car to be here very long. So if you'd like to give us a call, please do. It's 0113 271 2288. And thank you for watching the video.